Hello, welcome back. This is video number 3 in the N8N series. If you have not watched my previous videos on this topic, I suggest you do, as this is in continuation of the previous discussions. In this video, we are going to put some memory power to our AI agent that we created earlier. Again, this N8N exercise doesn't require any coding or paid subscriptions or internet to execute the workflow. Alright, let's get started. Earlier, we added Ollama to our AI agent. That's basically the offline large language model based processing power. But it doesn't have any memory. It only processes the requests it receives and forgets. Let me show you what I mean by this. I introduced myself in the chat as, "Hi, my name is PinPixels." The workflow processed and returned a response addressing by calling my name, saying, "Hello there, PinPixels," and blah blah. I then went back and typed my question, "What causes northern lights? Explain in 100 words." And as expected, it processed a response. Then I typed, "What is my name?" Well, it doesn't know my name. It is asking for more context or introduce myself again. This reminded me the lead role character from the movie named Momento. The guy had very short-term memory, and this artificial intelligent workflow that we built doesn't even have any memory. So we are going to give this workflow some superpowers, the memory. Click the plus sign below the AI agent node that says memory. In this video, we are going to use the very basic memory setup. It is called simple memory. Although this is not recommended for a workflow that can be executed in multiple instances, but hey, we want to start something basic. Select simple memory. It doesn't require any credential, making it simple in actual terms. Now leave everything as is in the configuration model and click back to canvas. Okay, now let's reintroduce again. All green. Simple memory shows 2 times, and as expected, it processed another response. I typed in the previous question and appended with also call my name. Again, it processed with 2 items in the simple memory node, but this time it generated a response by addressing the name I provided earlier. To revalidate, I went ahead and asked, "What is my name?" And see, it remembered my name. I then went back to the simple memory node and deactivated it. I know the outcome, but just wanted to illustrate to make my point here. I asked, "What is my name?" As expected, no memory, no name. And yet again, we made the AI agent say, "Sorry." Finally, reactivating, the memory power of this guy is back. So here we go. We added memory power to an AI agent in this video. This simple memory is just okay if there is only one workflow that needs memory. In the next video, we will set up Postgres chat memory, and we'll do a quick comparison between simple memory and Postgres chat memory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Also bookmark the N8N playlist. I am not just about teaching AI. I dive into DIY projects, strengths training, product reviews, and so much more. Stick around. There's a lot to explore. Bye for now.